All right, guys. Welcome back to the New York session live stream. This is the second session of the day one, and we are still on the uh, $1,000 to $2,000 challenge. Every time when I put this, I've always had stop losses hit. Let's see if it is the same this time. I'll add another 10 in some time. If the price hits this level, I'm taking another 10. Or else let's go. I think this is good. Closing should be strong. This is a good closing. The closing should be strong, yes. Hmm, okay. The price is trying to go down, but the bulls are not letting it go down. Now, this or the next candle should close below this, closing below this candle or the next candle, or both candles should close below this. Then it is definitely a win. It is clearly showing that bears are trying to push the price down. The bulls are not letting it go down. They are again trying to pump it up. So once there is a pump, again there is a push. So the pump and push is happening, but the only confirmation can be the price should close below this. Yeah, this candle should definitely close below this. Both the candles, this and the next one, should close below this one. Let's see, 16, 15 more seconds, 14 more seconds. Let's see what happens. So we have the closing. It is bearish. It's a strong bearish sign. Alright guys, I will close half quantity now. Partial close, and this is good. Now the stop loss should be here. Hmm. Alright, another W trade. This should close below this. I want this price to close below this. Now there are high chances the price can reverse from here because there is so many order blocks. I'm seeing so many order blocks here. So I'm almost $200 up in a single day. So I think instead of greed, I will book another half quantity. It's going, bro. Or should I just close it off completely? No, I'll close half position. So in the second trade, uh, this was the morning trade, 50, 30, and then 19. and this is 56 plus 33, which is almost $90. And then I have another $30 running here, $36 running here. If it gives us the target, then it will be 50 plus 80, 130. If I close it right here, then I'll be $120 in profit in the second session. So I think I'll close this. Sayonara. Good trade. Closing the positions at the right time is always uh, see. I started from 1000 this morning. After two trades, this was the first trade, 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, 12, 12, 12, 6:58 a.m. to 7:17 a.m. and then again 12, 12, 12. Within 5 minutes, I booked another $100+. So the total, I'm in $222 profit in the first day. All right, guys. So this was it from my side. First day, $200 profit. Um, $220 profit. We still have $780 to go. 22% of the target is complete on the first day. Thank you for tuning in. Bye bye and take care. See you tomorrow in the Asian session.